In the cradle of civilization, the Sumerians emerged as pioneers of urban culture, laying the foundations of society in Mesopotamia around 3500 BC. With innovative agricultural techniques, these early farmers cultivated the fertile land between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, leading to surplus food and thriving communities. Central to Sumerian life was their complex religion, which involved elaborate rituals and the construction of grand temples dedicated to their many deities. Education flourished as scribes trained in the art of cuneiform writing, ensuring that knowledge was passed down, and innovations like the wheel propelled society forward. The establishment of city-states led to organized governance as leaders and councils made critical decisions for the welfare and growth of their communities. Artisans thrived in Sumerian society, creating stunning pottery and textiles, while communal feasts reflected the importance of social bonds and cultural celebrations. Sumerians made significant contributions to astronomy and mathematics, enabling them to track time and navigate trade routes that linked their prosperous cities.